Out the window. Out the fucking window, please! No, a little lower. And thanks. Okay, I seriously need you to go. Look, that window's open. Get out. Please get out. Get out, dude. I don't know what the fuck to do. Dude. That window is... Where'd it go? I don't know where it went. Where'd it go? Okay, I've looked all around the kitchen. I think it's gone. Hope it's gone. Okay. I think it's gone. It just flew into my house and shit and scared the piss out of me. My neighbors must fucking hate me because I'm always screaming. I think it's gone. I really hope I don't go to bed with some fucking birds flying around my house. I think it's gone. Leftovers, and I thought it was fucking gone. It's not. God damn you. How the hell am I thought I just cleaned up the mess. I thought it was gone. I just wanted out. Way too many sites. Don't fly at me. Get the fuck out of my house. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I don't know where it went. God damn it. Close the cabinets. Dude, just please get out of my house. I can't even open these fucking windows. It's 3 a.m. I guess I'm gonna put the dogs up and shut the doors and open the front door. I don't know what to do. Okay, I got that window open, and that window open with all the doors shut. This is all your fault. You just had to pee. Okay. I need you out. Out. Dude, get out of my house. Dude. Oh, dude. You see that? I got it out. For realsies this time. Thought it was out in the first place. Close these before it flies back in. It's all your fault.